Yeah, messy prank, right? Well, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up that prank and how to make somebody fall for that prank and in the process get wet. So yeah guys, this is another water balloon prank video. Let's get started. First, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet with the bell notifications turned on, and check it out. Alright pranksters, let's begin. Now for this prank, this is what you guys are gonna need. You're gonna need a cup. This is a paper cup. It could be from your victim's favorite restaurant. A lid and a straw. And as you guys can see right here, I have a water balloon. Now this water balloon has to fit perfectly inside the cup. As you guys can see right here, it gets stuck somewhere in the middle. So that's how you guys want to determine the size of your balloon. It has to free up the top and has to leave a gap in the bottom. So that's the perfect size. So measure out your cup and it will determine the size of the balloon that you'll need. What we're gonna do first right here is we are gonna cut the bottom of the cup because we need it to be exposed. So let's remove the bottom. And that'll do, guys. So all we do is just take the balloon, dump it in there like that. And now you guys can choose to put whatever you guys want inside. Something that will make a mess. I'm gonna choose oatmeal. And I have my oatmeal handy right here. I've used it many times. And I'm gonna throw it in there. You guys don't have to fill it up all the way, just enough to make a mess. Just like that. Now, just like my last prank, you're gonna need a push pin. You're gonna jam it inside the straw, like so. And then you're gonna leave the straw hanging out just like this, so not all the way in, and place the lid on. So it should look something like this at this point, guys. What your victim is gonna do is they're gonna push the straw into the cup, and when that happens, they're gonna puncture the balloon, which will cause the mess. Let me show you an example. All right, prank time. So your victim is gonna see this straw sticking out. It shouldn't stick out like this, so they're gonna push it in. They get that mess going on and they're gonna lift up the cup and look at all that vomit. It does look like vomit. Ugh. Guys, the cup just threw up. Ugh, that's disgusting. But yeah, that's the prank that nobody would want to fall for. And yeah, they might think that it's vomit, so somehow if you guys want to put some smell in there like a fart bag or something nasty, go for it. Why not? Go all out. It's a prank. Guys, if you haven't, check out these pranks. They're very simple to set up and so funny to watch people fall for them. Just check them out, guys. Whoa. Alright, so this is the dumbbell I'm supposed to get. Look at that mess. They pull on the straw. Here's another similar prank you guys can do. As you guys can see right here, I have a different cup. This one is plastic, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's a cup and it's your victim's favorite restaurant cup. For example, this is Taco Bell. For this prank, I will also need the straw and the lid as well as a water balloon. Now, the only difference here is that we're not gonna fill up this water balloon with water. We're gonna blow it up with air. So let's do that right now. It has to fit in very snug, so adjust the measurements correctly, and it should be snug like this. So once you have the right size, just tie it up. Now that we've got the right size for the balloon, we are gonna be cutting off the bottom as well. It's just a typical Nextraker prank, so let's cut off the bottom. Be careful with this. This is plastic actually, so I don't want you guys cutting yourselves. All right, awesome. See, that's all you guys needed. Now let's flip this cup over. Select the spot where you guys are gonna leave the cup. And this spot right here is perfect for me. Here I have some baking soda, guys, that I'm gonna put inside this cup. So I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, that works. Now I'm gonna have my balloon go inside, but I'm gonna butter up this balloon basically with some Vaseline. And you guys can use actual butter if you guys want, or maybe lard, baby oil, whatever. Just rub it on it. We don't want any leaks just yet. So this works. Now we're gonna take the balloon and put it inside the cup. Make sure it's super snug, guys. Now you guys can guess what's gonna happen next, right? Yep, I'm gonna be pouring in some vinegar. And that's simple enough. Just like that, pranksters, nothing is happening because the balloon is in between the baking soda and vinegar. All right, so let's put the lid on. And just like the other prank, we have put a push pin on the straw and we're gonna leave it on its side like so, sticking out. And your victim will be the ones that push it in. But before we do that, guys, let's clean up around here. Let's clean up this little mess right here so it doesn't give away the prank. All right, so the prank is set, guys. Now it's time to play it off. So you let your victim know that you got them a drink and that's on the counter. So when they come over, they're gonna see the straw just hanging like this. It doesn't look right. It should be in, right? So naturally they're gonna push it in and this is what's gonna happen. Instantly, right? I hate the smell of vinegar. Whoa. Okay. This is what happened, guys. This is the mess. And look. The balloon was keeping everything from mixing until the straw popped it, and then this happened. So it's a mess that nobody will expect. It's a mess that nobody will want to clean up, and it's enough to startle your victim because they will not be expecting it. Oh, it smells. Ah. So there you guys have it. A messy water balloon prank you guys can pull off at home on anybody you just don't like. Now, of course, you gotta be cautious as to who you prank and where you prank because it's messy and people tend to get mad and then people don't want to clean up, so you might end up cleaning the mess that your prank made. Either way, guys, I hope you like this video, and if you guys want to see more, I have lots more prank videos at my channel, youtube.com/Nextraker. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys gave this video a big like and that you subscribe to this channel if you hadn't yet. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.